Welcome to the future of cookware production. We are excited to introduce the TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine, specifically designed for the automated welding of 3-layer stainless steel cookware. This innovative welding machine is engineered to meet the highest standards of efficiency, precision, and reliability, making it the perfect solution for the cookware manufacturing industry. Key features of the TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine. 1. High-efficiency welding. Our CNC stud welding machine uses advanced automatic welding technology that ensures each weld is strong, secure, and aesthetically pleasing. The machine guarantees solid and durable welds at high speeds, ensuring that every part of the cookware can withstand heavy usage and last for years. The Mission 2. Intelligent operation. With fully automated processes, the TATE machine reduces the need for manual intervention, allowing for significant increases in production efficiency. By cutting down on labor costs and reducing human error, it lowers operational expenses and enhances overall workflow in the factory. 3. Precision customization. We understand that every manufacturer has unique needs, which is why the TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine supports personalized customization. It allows for easy adjustments to the machine's parameters based on customer specifications, providing the flexibility to adapt to a wide range of production demands. Whether you are producing standard cookware or specialized designs, TATE ensures precision and adaptability in every weld. 4. Stable and durable. Designed with premium materials, the TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine is built for long-term, high-intensity operations. Its robust construction ensures that it can withstand continuous use while maintaining exceptional performance over time. The machine's stability and durability make it an ideal investment for manufacturers who need reliable equipment that operates efficiently under demanding conditions. Applications. The TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine is perfect for industries where high-quality, efficient welding is required, including stainless steel cookware manufacturers for welding multi-layer stainless steel cookware, such as pots and pans, cookware factories, perfect for increasing production efficiency in industrial kitchens and cookware assembly. Other industries. Any business in need of high-quality automated welding solutions for their manufacturing needs. With its precision, efficiency, and ability to reduce costs, the TATE CNC Stud Welding Machine is setting a new standard for smart manufacturing in the cookware industry. Why choose TATE? At TATE, we are committed to delivering cutting-edge solutions for the modern manufacturing world. With our CNC Stud Welding Machine, you are investing in quality, efficiency, and innovation. Designed for the needs of today's fast-paced industrial environments, TATE ensures that your production line is equipped to handle the demands of tomorrow. For more information or to inquire about customization options, feel free to contact us directly. +86 130 65 7065, info@oktate.com.